A few days ago, we had the opportunity for the privateer to get some range time with state firearms instructor and security contractor Brian Post. Check it out. All right, so first impressions, what do you think?
It's got a cool factor. It's got a very high cool factor. It's fun to shoot. It's surprisingly accurate once you get used to stabilizing it in non-traditional ways. Without a brace, without the sling on it, it's still, you push out forward, pull in a little bit. It's like modified isosceles. It actually works pretty well.
So in what situations would you say this would be a firearm that you'd want to have?
In a situation where you need a lot of firepower and you'd have to go through what people call a non-permissive environment, you don't want people to know that you have an AR-15 or anything like it. This weapon is small enough to where it can be concealed in a lot of places.